come from a small nuke coming through winter, small for no reason of her own. And we just gave her the ability to express her brilliance and her true potential by giving her just a boost of ease. And if some would shake that colony out because they're small, they're missing the point that they're small.
You know that
under
voice?
circumstances,
Just
other
watching one of my favorite beekeepers in the shop this morning. It's nice to have a big screen in the shop to watch YouTube videos and whatnot while I'm working, and hopefully enjoy the video and enjoy this guy too. He's kind of knows what he's doing, so have fun. The first cabinet has been set aside, and I have the bottom of the second cabinet here on the table saw. So this is just rinse and repeat. This one will go together exactly the same way. There's a couple differences, I suppose. On this one, we don't have a foot of the bed to deal with, so we don't have one side we can't drive screws through. I could drive screws through both sides of this one. You're not going to see either side. The other difference is the fact that the piece that goes on the head of the bed is not oak. It's just the spruce, what I'm calling spruce, which actually Douglas fir plywood. But that's all. That's all. The assembly is going to be identical, besides being able to drive more screws through that side. So let's get at it. Rinse and repeat. I hope you liked yesterday, because you're going to see the same thing today. Once again, I have an oak side to this. I have an oak divider to go in the middle there, and I have a front of the bed, and it'll go right there. I'm going to approach this the same way as I did the other one. That worked really well. I'll attach one side, I'll attach the other, then I'll do the center divider. Today's episode of the bed build was a little more like a silent movie than anything. Was just rinse and repeat from last time. Second cabinet. Everything went together really well. I'm very pleased with that. Next time we start into some finicky little precision work with the oak trim. So I'm going to be ripping up some oak strips in the table saw, and then I don't know exactly what I'm going to do with that trim yet. I might want to make some profiles on it, set up the router table perhaps. We'll see. I haven't decided yet, so we'll have to figure that out. So anyway, thanks for watching, and I hope you're enjoying this process. And we're getting along really well. Shouldn't be more than a few more days and we'll be spraying some polyurethane on this. So thanks again, take care, stay safe, and have fun.